Let's quickly go over to Karnataka. A big relief for Karnataka resident doctors as the state government has increased their stipend amount, resolving the disparity in the payment of stipend to the resident doctors across Karnataka. The Karnataka government has now increased the stipend from the bare minimum of 30,000 rupees as stipend. The amount has now been increased to 55,000 rupees. This comes days after Karnataka resident doctors protested against the low monthly stipend they get and the exorbitant fees that they had to shell out in the state. Government colleges and universities had quite expensive tuition fee. Doctors said that while their stipend was last hiked in 2015, the fees was increased. Their tuition fees was increased 5-folds without a warning. Now, finally, after all the protests and the Black Band March, the candlelit protests that the doctors carried out, the Karnataka government has decided to hike their stipend for junior doctors all the way to 45,000, 55,000 respectively. Nolan joining us for more on this. Nolan, please bring us details. It's a sigh of relief for resident doctors who've been protesting tirelessly, working tirelessly. Despite the protests, they still carried on their works on the front lines as COVID warriors.
Well, absolutely, Nabila. In fact, they have been demanding this for the past 5 years. We have seen 3 chief ministers also come and go. But it was only recently that after they started this protest, and we must remember, even though they were protesting, they continued to do their work, knowing the type of situation that we are all in and that they are needed to actually go about and do their work. Now, it was a few days ago that the Medical Education Minister, Dr. Sudhakar, spoke to the officials in the department and regarding this particular demand of theirs to consider it. Now, even though their stipend has been hiked, Nabila, when compared to different states, it is still very less. So as of now, yes, it has been increased, but they are hoping that in some time that Karnataka is also, that the resident doctors are paid on par with doctors in other states.
We're looking at a postgraduate student for 1 year now gets paid, earlier it was 30,000, now gets paid about 45,000. For a second year postgraduate, earlier it was 35,000, now they get paid 50,000. Earlier for the third year it was about 40,000 and now they get paid 55,000. So we're looking at about a 15,000 hike from the previous stipend to now. And this super specialty, first year 60,000, second year 65,000 and third year 70,000. While in other states like Delhi itself, if you compare, junior residents are getting 85,000 as stipend. But nonetheless, this is a move forward. Nolan, thank you very much for joining us. This is indeed a move forward for Karnataka resident doctors who've been struggling on the front lines. We're paying 5-folds more as tuition fee, got bare minimum as stipend. Now it seems like the Karnataka government has come around to grant them some relief.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.